So now we will discuss the first type of agent, that is the simple reflex agent. Right, we'll be discussing this in detail. Okay, so this simple reflex agent, it works only on the current situation. You understand? Right? Like we have discussed earlier, the agent perceives information, okay, from the environment in two ways, that is on the current situation and the history situation. That means the past experience or the past knowledge. But here a simple reflex agent, it works only on the current situation and ignores the history part. Okay, ignores the history part. It works only, okay, it works only on the current situation. All right, and it ignores the history part. That is the past experience or the past knowledge. Okay, and also I will tell you, okay, what do you mean by reflex. Okay, this is a simple one, you understand. Reflex agent, that means that it perform an actions, it gives the actions at the moment. Okay, let's say immediately, at the moment, or we can say right now. Simple reflex agent, okay, it works only on the current situation, ignores the history part, that is the past knowledge or the experience, and by reflex we means that it gives an action, the output, immediately, at the moment, or right now. This is a simple meaning. Okay, and this simple reflex action also, okay, and this simple reflex agent, okay, it works on the condition action rule. Okay, what does it mean? It means that it depends on an action. It depends on the condition, and based on that condition it perform an action. So we can also say it depends on it's based on the if then rule. Okay, if condition is true, perform an action. If condition is false, then ignore. Okay, this is the method, this is the rule that simple reflex agent follows. Let us sum up. Okay, what is a simple reflex agent? It is an agent which works only on the current situation. It ignores the history part. Okay, and it follows the condition action rule, okay, which is also termed as the if then rule. Okay, it means that if condition is true, perform an action. If false, don't perform, simply. Okay, I hope you understand. All right, and this simple reflex agent, I forgot, it is fully observable. Okay, fully observable, it means that it has the full knowledge of the environment on which the agent works. Okay, let's say for example you have chess. Okay, it has the full knowledge of what are the actions to be performed on chess. Okay, if you go to the left, it will perform some action. If you go to the right, it perform some action. As give another example is droughts, WGHTS. Okay, droughts, this is also fully observable. Okay, it is confined only on this area. Okay, it is confined, that's why it is fully observable. So this is the block diagram of simple reflex agent. Let us see how this works. Okay, so this is the agent and this is the environment. Okay, now this agent, it perceives, okay, it perceives information. Okay, it perceives information. Let's write it here. Perceives, let's just write it down as P. Okay, this is perceives. Okay, it perceives or gather information from the environment through which we have discussed earlier, through sensors. All right, through sensors. Okay, so the agent perceives information from the environment through sensors. Okay, now here what world is like now. So this is the information. Okay, it has perceives information. This represents an information, a current situation. Okay, this represents a current state or a current situation. So what the world is like now. Understood? So what do you do now? After it has gathered some information here, the current situation one, what world is like now, so it should perform what action should I do now. So based on this current situation, okay, now it will go here. This is the condition action rule. Okay, if the condition is anything, it has been compiled, after it has been compiled or calculate, let's say calculated here condition, if the condition is true, now okay, what action should I do now? So now what action should I do now? After here, now it should perform back the action into the environment. Okay, perform action, let's say A is for action, and through which? Through actuators. All right, so this is a simple representation, simple working block diagram of a simple reflex agent. Okay.